How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This is kiziewheels here. We are back with another unboxing electric scooter video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gotrax GX3. Now I told you guys there's three different versions of the Gotrax. We unboxed the GX1 and there's also a GX2. Now this is the GX3. This is the big boy. This is one with the 11-inch tire and goes about 40 miles per hour. But it is beefy, hydraulic brakes, so without much talking, we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and we'll take it for a ride and show you what it can do. So Gotrax always have these things to help kind of carry the box. Let's see here. Bam. Two. Oh man, I'm already liking the color. Green, 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 green. You know what the color means, right? Money, money, money. Oh yeah, and thank you so much, Jesse, for sending this. Always appreciate you. Ooh, this comes with 2 chargers. Already impressed, man. 2 chargers. Perfect. Let's see what else in there. I didn't have our guide. This is your user manual to show you all the things that you need to learn. I just like the color green. It's really nice. There's a couple of things. Support. You have the number to call if you need help. I know some of you have been kind of complaining that you want parts and it's been taking a little bit longer. Just be patient. I think Gotrax is trying to make sure that they ship out those parts to you guys. So just be patient. Sometimes with so many people ordering and everybody requesting for parts and stuff, it does take them time to sort through out all those emails and get everything shipped to you. And sometimes the person that you're messaging might not be the person that's shipping out the product. So you guys just bear, because I get on them on that. I ask them like, what's going on? I gotta bring this thing up. This is not my first time unboxing a Gotrax. I should know what I'm doing, right? They use this type of like box things. Right. This thing is gonna be way bigger than the GX and the GX1. Is that it? Is that hooked in? All right. I'm trying to take these boxes out. This is the thing that you use to lock up the front. And this is for pumping your tire. This is called a valve extender. And a couple of tools in here. You lift with your legs. We'll kick this out of the way. All right. Yeah, gonna put it down gentle. Okay, make sure it doesn't tip forward. It is well packaged and well wrapped. First thing I'm already noticing is those beefy suspension. Wow. And these are adjustable shocks. Let's move this back a little bit. We're gonna start cutting out this. See, there's more. Oh man, this is beefy. All right, I wanna get it up there real quick because I didn't like that it was hanging like that. So the screws are already attached to the bars. You just have to unscrew them and then attach it. So that way, just in case if you do get this and then you're like, where are the screws? They're already here. So you just gotta take them out. And these are round. The stem is round. So this scooter does look like some off-roading scooter. This is probably the only thing that you really have to do on this scooter. And then we're gonna attach the folding lock. All right, now we're locking it up. This is this that's in the front. I believe it locks in like this. Yo, one thing that I really like about Gotrax scooters is their folding mechanism seems very well thought out. And it seems like once you lock off the handlebar, there's no movement on the stem at all. This is the same thing with the GX1. I didn't feel any movement. It felt pretty sturdy, and I can see once again, they pay attention to this area a lot, which is great. This green is looking good. There's a bunch of buttons that's up here. Really, really nice. And you guys should already know the throttle is a little bit different than what most people are normally used to. Some people are used to the twist, the finger throttle like the Gotrax have, and the ones that you push in. But this one is like right here. It's really nice. It's almost like the brake area, and it is clean. So let's see if we power this thing on. I think the code is probably gonna kick in because most of the time, that's how it is. Oh, I don't see the code. Oh, let's turn this off. Is there a code? I see something flashing. It says error 5E error. So it looks like we can't switch. There's a turn signal. Oh yeah. There's turn signal in the back. Oh, it's saying that this has to do with the brakes. I know this for sure. This is like a brake error. I'm not sure if it got twisted or anything like that. Yeah, I think like that error is coming from there. And it looks like the tool to use and take this out, I have it, but it's in the car. So we'll figure this out and I will see, and then we can go for a ride and I'll show you guys all the stuff. There you go. You guys can see it flashing. Coming up, we are gonna put it on do motors. But right now, since we're just rolling down, there is no need for it. I haven't been through this pad before, so I'm not about to start riding all crazy. And I'm going down. We're using both back and front brake. That looks like a little steep area. Jeez. Can we make it? Let's see. Let's see. How you guys doing? Ooh, we got rocks. That's off-road test right there. This one is be as far as we can go, like coming down. Going back up should be fun. Whew. I think we could try to go up like right there. That would be crazy. But we do need dual motors if we try to go up there. And this needs to go to like standard, you know. Let's see. That's crazy. Just came up through right there. I'm really impressed with the double shocks in the front and double shocks in the back, and they're all adjustable, so you can adjust it. It's really good. Dual motors. If you guys are, want some more in depth of this scooter, can again go up to like 30-40 miles per hour. 300 pounds. If you weigh about 300 pounds, that's the max weight on this. And I do want to let you guys know that Gotrax also offers 2 years warranty. Out of most manufacturers, I think Gotrax is one of the only manufacturers that offers you 2 years of warranty. I like when the company is making sure that the customers are taken care of, even on the long run. And again, shout out to Jesse for sending out the Gotrax GX3. Shout out to Gotrax. I appreciate all of you guys that are supporting this platform. This is kiziewheels. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.